It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again. To fill my time, you take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and block my ears. I can see where those orphans through my tears, and know my call despite my faults and despite my growing fears. But I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I'll find strength in pain, and I will change my ways. I'll know my name as it's cold again. So come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know their maker's land. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be.
Hola Javi, quería desearte muchísimo ánimo, que eres muy grande y te mereces lo mejor, que viniste cedido, pero eres parte de esta familia celtista, así que muchísimo ánimo, un beso y recupérate pronto.
Hola Javi, solo queríamos darte las gracias por implicarte con nuestro escudo en tan poco tiempo.
Y esperamos que te recuperes muy pronto y que sepas que esta familia celtista nunca te va a olvidar. ¡Ánimo, Javi!
Gracias afición, nos vemos el año que viene en primera.